I start with organic cotton cloth wipes that I purchased on Etsy. I lay them out one by one and I start folding them together like this. Once I've folded quite a few together and I have a large stack like this, they're ready to go into the container. I purchased this OxoTot wipe dispenser off of Amazon. It has this clear window in the front. You can see how many wipes are left. With one push, it opens up, easy for one-handed use, and it has a weighted lid that goes over the wipes so you can easily pull each wipe through. Then I take a little bit of Johnson & Johnson baby wash and add it to the container. Then I run some warm water and I mix up the soap. Then I take all the wipes I folded and put them in the soapy water in the container. I push them down so that all the wipes get wet. Sometimes you have to add a little bit of extra to make sure they all get covered and then drain the remainder of the water. Then I take the wipes out of the container and squeeze out all the excess water so you're just left with damp wipes. Then I take them, put them back in the container, put the weighted lid on top, and then the way they're folded, each wipe will come through as you pull it out. Nice and easy. Then you can close the lid and you're able to see how many wipes you have left in the front clear window.